This is the milestone 4 video for the Unlock Apollo's Potential Join and Build Cardano's Golang library proposal. So I will show you the governance functionalities of the Apollo library. I already executed the first transaction, which we can already watch at Cardano scan. In that transaction, we just registered our own wallet as a DRep. So here we can see that we just have created one simple certificate. It's a DRep registration certificate where we had to deposit 500 ADA together with the certificate. So here we see that we created the certificate, and I also created a second transaction which will be registering the staking part of our wallet and also delegating our votes to our own DRep, which we created in the first transaction. While we are waiting that it will show up on Cardano scan, I can show you the code for it. So it's really more or less simple. You just look for the correct certificate, then you add the payload which you need, and then you just, as you would for every Apollo created transaction, add it. You need to do some wiring, like having an input address or loading your input UTXOs, and then we just sign it, complete it and sign it, and then we submit it. And you can also find more detailed explanation in the Apollo repository in the docs config governance folder. So here we can see all the different governance functionality we now have in Apollo, which is feature complete, and you can also find a map from Cardano CLI commands to the now available Apollo functionality, which is very helpful, especially if you're new to Apollo but you already have some knowledge about Cardano CLI. In the meantime, our transaction should be completed. So in that transaction, we have two certificates in one transaction, where the first one is registering our staking part, and the second one is delegating our votes. We use nil here to use the wallet internal data for that. So if we now look at Cardano scan, you can see we created a transaction, a very simple one, where we just have a stake certificate. So we registered our staking part, which we now can use and stake wherever we want. And we also have a vote delegation certificate, where we can also compare that the ending is 5UM, and the earlier registration of the DRep, the ending is also 5UM. And as said before, you can find more detailed explanation in the Apollo repository. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have some fun with the new Apollo functionalities.